We are now traveling to the country of Belize.
In Belize, we will be exploring the rainforest, which covers half of the country. The temperatures in Belize range from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit.
The rainy season in Belize lasts from May until November. The annual amount of rainfall in Belize is an average of 177 inches. 2/3 of the world's animals and plants live in rainforests. The canopy is considered the heart of the rainforest. It ranges from 60 to 90 feet at the top of the forest.
There are 64 species of monkeys that live in the canopy, along with flying squirrels, bats, exotic birds, sloth, and many other animals. Howler monkeys live in the canopy of the rainforest. They got their name because of their screeching call, or howl. In the Belizean rainforest, there is one male monkey for every 5 female monkeys. From 40 to 50 feet is the understory layer.
It includes the trunks of the canopy trees, young trees, and ferns that survive in the dim light that shines through the canopy. The bullet tree, also called foliage tree, is extremely strong.
In fact, it is so strong that it is used to make railroad ties, which need to support thousands of pounds, thousands of times over.
At times, this tree blooms small, pale yellow flowers. The forest floor is surprisingly very sparse, except where the sunlight filters through. The plants that do survive here have large leaves so that they can absorb as much sunlight as possible.
Animals that live on the forest floor are mostly scavengers that eat the animal carcasses.
One tasty plant in the rainforest is the key lime tree. It grows delicious key limes used to make fruity drinks and other exotic dishes. It tastes just like lime.
Yes,
That's cool.
If you are ever lost in the rainforest and are dying of thirst, look for a long, dark, wooded vine. If you chop this vine in half, clear, clean water will flow out for you to drink, and it is easy to spot, being the darkest plant in the rainforest.
In the rainforest, termites make nests, or as many Belizeans call them, bamboo chickens, on trees and wooden plants. The termites can be eaten for protein, and they taste like peppermint.
Do it. Remember that turtle video?
If you want to kiss somebody, Fear Factor! Yay!
Did you eat it? It's really peppermint. One insect in the rainforest is the leafcutter ants. It is much bigger than ants in America. You can even hear it chomping through leaves if you listen. Many animals and plants have adapted to live in the rainforest ecosystem.
For example, tree trunks have buttresses that help support the tree. Buttresses are large masses located at the bottom of the trunk that make the tree more stable.
The soil is not very rich, so the roots do not extend very far into the ground.
All plants and animals in the rainforest depend on each other to survive.